Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 27th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So I think the Aussie dollar on the monthly time frame has found the bottom. I think this right here is the bottom at the 78%. I think that this first wave up right here is three waves of W. I think this move down is one, two, three waves of X. And I think we are now going to make one, two, three waves up for wave Y, which I think this wave Y will take out the high of wave W, probably putting us at least up to the 0.82 area. Now, keep in mind, this is the monthly time frame, and something like this on the monthly potentially could take years to play out, probably at least 2 years to play out. But it's still very, very important no matter what time frame you're trading on. So going down to the weekly time frame, we are finally starting to break structure. I mean, yes, it is kind of rejecting structure, but a wave one normally does end around the previous structure, which is exactly what's happening. Now we're probably going to make a pullback for like a wave two and then go up and make a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five. And this is only the wave A of an ABC of wave Y. So this is that three-way pattern that I was showing on the monthly time frame. We're only in a wave one of wave A right now, most likely. But even the wave A itself will probably take the majority of the year to play out. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did break structure finally. Now most wave ones do end around the structure of the previous move, so that's exactly where we're at now. Now it could possibly go up and make like a double top or something, but I kind of think there's a good chance the top is already in. Looking at other dollar pairs, I think there's a good chance we're probably going to make a pullback, and then we're probably going to go up and make a wave three. So a one, a two, and a wave three, just like I showed on the weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, now we're starting to see this sideways price action, which is what normally happens when you're getting at the top of a move, kind of like what happened down here. You get that sideways price action. Whether or not it goes up and makes a double top or not, I mean, is kind of the question. I definitely could. But I wouldn't be surprised if we did already have the top in and that we did already start a pretty decent move to the downside, especially looking at other dollar pairs. I think we're going to go down minimum to the 38%. We could even go all the way down to the 78%, making some sort of a Elliot wave, three-way pullback like an ABC or WXY or something like that before we end up continuing the uptrend. Wave one, wave two, and eventually up for a wave three. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, that's why I think we should be looking for shorts. I mean, we do have to be a little cautious. It could go up and take out the high one more time just to grab some liquidity. But I think more than likely this is just a topping out pattern we're seeing right here. I think eventually it is going to start a pretty big move to the downside, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. And I think we're still actually only in a wave A of an ABC correction, likely a wave A of wave two. So I definitely am looking for shorts. Like I said, this correction should minimum go to the 38%, but it could go all the way down to the 78%. So, and we have to keep in mind that this is more than likely going to take several weeks to play out. This whole correction is not going to end, in a couple of days. It's probably going to take at least all week and potentially even part of next week to play out. So more than likely, we will probably be looking for shorts pretty much all week long on the Aussie dollar. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.